Greetings everyone, here is how you can install Facefusion on your macOS. Basically, we will be installing this Facefusion to your Mac. Now to do that, we will be using Anaconda. For those who do not have Anaconda, go to anaconda.com, click on free download. I will skip the registration and download the installer. You can download for Apple Silicon or Intel and install it on your Mac. After this is done, simply download the Facefusion files. Go to code and download as zip. So it has been downloaded. I will drag it to the desktop and close this. I will rename it as Facefusion. After that, open the terminal and then first create a Python environment. For that, type conda create --name Facefusion Python is equal to 3.12. So this will create a Python environment 3.12. Please note, conda will work only after you have installed Anaconda. Y and enter. So the Python environment has been created. Let's activate it. For that, type conda activate Facefusion. Please make sure that this base name has changed to Facefusion. Now let's get inside the Facefusion folder. Type cd space desktop. So we are on the desktop. Now let's get inside the folder. cd space Facefusion. So we are inside Facefusion folder. Now type python install.py and enter. Now we need to add ONNX runtime with this. So type python install.py --ONNX runtime default and enter. This will install all the dependencies required for Facefusion. So this will take some time. So this is done. We also need to install ffmpeg. So type conda install ffmpeg. Y and enter. So it is done. Now let's run Facefusion. Python facefusion.py. So here are some options you can use with Facefusion. To simply run the application, type python facefusion.py space run. This will download all the models required for Facefusion. So everything has been downloaded. Now copy this URL and paste it to your browser. And here is Facefusion 3.3.2. Now let's quickly test it. Select the source image. I downloaded it from Pixabay. So here is the source image. Let's choose the target image. If you see any error, please try it again. So here is it. Here are other settings if you want to change, but I will leave it to default. And this processing time depends on your PC, and you can see her face is swapped. So this is how you can install Facefusion on your Mac. Thank you very much.